The ketogenic diet, also referred to as the keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. With a very low carbohydrate intake, the body can run on ketones from fat instead of glucose from carbs. This leads to increased fat burning and weight loss. However, as with any drastic dietary change, there can be some unwanted side effects. Initial side effects of the keto diet may include brain fog, fatigue, electrolyte imbalance, and even a keto rash. Here's everything you need to know about the keto rash, including what can cause it, how to treat it, and how to prevent it from happening. Keto rash, a type of dermatitis, often formally known as prurigo pigmentosa, is a rare, inflammatory condition of the skin characterized by a red, itchy rash around the trunk and neck. Symptoms of the keto rash may include an itchy, red rash that occurs primarily on the upper back, chest, and abdomen. Red spots, called papules, that take on a web-like appearance. A dark brown pattern left on the skin once the spots disappear. What causes the keto rash? Research on the link between the keto diet and skin rash is limited. However, there's some evidence that suggests the presence of high levels of ketones triggers a skin condition called prurigo pigmentosa. Treatment for the keto rash. There are several at-home treatment methods for the keto rash, should you experience it. 1. Reintroduce carbohydrates. If you believe that a recent change to your diet is the cause of your skin rash, you may want to consider reintroducing carbohydrates. 2. Correct nutrient deficiencies. Nutrient deficiencies may play a role in certain inflammatory skin conditions. Deficiencies in vitamin A, vitamin B12, and vitamin C have been linked with both acute and chronic skin conditions. If you're eating an overly restrictive diet, your body may not be getting all the vitamins and minerals it needs. Eating an array of colorful fruits and vegetables is a great way to ensure that you're eating all the nutrients nature has to offer. 3. Incorporate anti-inflammatory supplements. In addition to dietary changes, certain supplements may assist the body in fighting inflammatory conditions. Probiotics, prebiotics, vitamin D, and fish oil supplements have all been used in clinical studies to help improve symptoms of dermatitis. 4. Eliminate food allergens. The keto diet places an emphasis on low-carb, high-fat foods. Some of the most common foods to eat on the ketogenic diet are eggs, dairy, fish, and nuts and seeds, to name a few. Coincidentally, many of these foods also happen to be on the list of common food allergens. With food allergies being a source of inflammation, it's important to eliminate any foods you're allergic to that may be worsening your rash symptoms. 5. Consult a doctor about medication. If home treatments fail to clear up the rash, a visit to your doctor may be necessary. Ready to start your keto diet? If you're interested in trying the keto diet to lose weight or manage your health, but unsure how to eat, and what to avoid, don't worry. We've put together a keto diet resources with everything you need to know to guide you through the first month. Get started now. Visit the link in description.